everyone, welcome back to our MAVEN Techno Solution channel. If you are a beginner to learn this Linux and DevOps tools, you are in the right place, in the right channel. So in the entire course, we are going to cover all the DevOps tools. To learn the DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we have started our course on first Linux part. So around 24 lectures we covered up to now. So in 24 lectures, we covered up to 6th topic, Introduction to Linux and Linux directory structure, the basic commands, vim editor commands, hard-link and soft-link commands, okay, and file extraction and compression. All these commands we already covered, and in last lecture we saw that how to create a group and how to delete the group. Okay, so if you are not aware about all these commands, please go to all the lectures and do yourself practical. In today's lecture we are going to see how to rename the group and how to add a users to the group. Okay, so we will see in the today lecture. Okay. So first what I will do, I will create one group. Okay, before that, so in this 7th topic we covered that how to create a users and how to delete the users. Okay, these all things we already covered, and how to create a group. Okay, how to delete the group. Okay, we already saw that, and in our lecture we will see that how to rename the group and add and remove the user from the group. Okay, these two topics we will see in today's lecture. Okay, so okay, first what I will do, I will create one group. Sudo, you are not a root user, so I'm an CY user, so I need to use sudo. Sudo group add and the group name. Okay, hit enter. So it will create the group. How we are going to check whether the group is created or not? And do cat etc group, group, hit enter and scroll down. Okay, sorry, this window is covering actually due to that here this window is covering, so here the dev group is created. In a minute. Okay, you can see here the dev group is created here, which we created just now. So we created a dev group with this group add command. Okay, so dev group is created here. You can see here the dev group is created. So what we'll do, we'll rename this group. So sometimes what happens, if there is a requirement, you need to by default something you made the mistake of limiting something, so you want to rename that group. So how you will do? So we will see that. Okay, that command, see, that is group mode. So sudo group mode and which name you want to rename. So in my case I will sudo, that is group mode command, group mode. So which name you want to rename? For here is a dev group is there. So for this dev group you want to give a name. This is a QA group. Okay, you want to make it QA group. Okay, so for that QA, or else you can do for another test group. Okay, test and give which name you want to rename. So this is already your group name, which is already here. So you want to rename this dev name with a test. Okay, for that you need to use -n. This is for name, renaming the group. Okay, hit enter. Test is already existing, sorry, test group is already existing. So what we'll do, this is QA. Okay, we'll do QA, hit enter. See, now do cat. Previously you can see here your dev group is there. So what we did, we rename with a QA. So when we will do now cat, so that is renamed with your dev group is renamed with QA. You can see here etc grp group, hit enter. See here previously the name is that is dev group. Now we renamed with the QA name. Okay, I hope you got this point. Okay, we saw that how to rename the group. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll add and remove a user from the group. So if you want to add some users, we'll take example for this QA team. Okay, so QA team, some new user is came and you want to add that user to the QA team. How will do? So there is two methods. So we can do with that with the two commands, that is sudo usermod append and the group and the user. Okay, this is one way of doing, and even we can do that with this so usermod hyphen a and capital G, and the group name, this is the username. Okay, for that what we'll do, we'll check whether users are existing or not and which user you want to add to the group. Okay, first we'll check cat etc user. We'll check the user first, whether which user is existing or not. If there is no any user, means we will create a user and we'll add that user to the group. Okay, do cat for a passwd directory to check the user. See, there is a Siva user is existing. So what I will do, I will create one user, Rama user, sudo, that is user add command Rama. Okay, hit enter and do cat for again etc passwd. Okay, hit enter. See, a Rama user is got created. What we will do, this Rama user we will add to the our QA team. Okay, which we already created. See here etc group, hit enter. See, the QA group is here. So whenever you will create a new user, so a user automatically he will add himself to the group. So again the Rama group also got created. This is not we created. So whenever you will create a group, whenever you will create a user, so automatically that user will add to the same group the same username. Okay, how you will check? You can do this ID for Rama. So you will get the, see, Rama is, this is a user and this is user ID. Okay, UID, that is user ID, and you can see here this is GID, means that is group ID, and Rama is the group. Himself it will create a group and it will add to the same name, username of the group. Okay, fine. So what we'll do, we'll add this Rama user to this QA team. Okay, QA team. How? See, simple, that is sudo. You can see here, this is the usermod command. Okay, usermod hyphen append hyphen group. Okay, and which group that user you want to add. In my case, I want to add for QA team, QA, and which user you want to add. I want to add Rama user. I want to add this Rama user to this QA group. Okay, hit enter. Now you can see ID Rama. See, previously the Rama is part of the only Rama group. Okay, now Rama is part of QA group. Okay, and this is a ID. Okay, so this is the one way of checking. Okay, and you can check here cat etc passwd see here. Okay, sorry, I need to do for cat for the group, cat etc group. Okay, now you can see here for this QA team Rama user is added. Okay, so this is the command, this is the one this is the adding a user to the group. This is the one command, and under in a short form we can do this with this -a and g. With this also we can add user to the group. So I will highlight and show you, it will be better to understand. So see here, so we executed with this command, and what we did, we appended a user to the group. This is your group, okay, this is the user, okay, and we appended the user to this group. Okay, the same thing we can do with this command. Okay, here in this case for this test group I am added the Shiva user. Okay, this user mode command. Okay, we'll see this example again one more time here. Okay, so with this command, okay, sudo, what I will do, I will create one more user, sudo user add Hari. Okay, now I created a Hari user. Okay, you can see that user with etc pass wd. Okay, now Hari user is got created. Okay, so what I will do, I will add this Hari user to the again QA team. Okay, sudo user mode, and this time I will use this command. Okay, hyphen a g. Okay, this command I will use. Okay, hyphen a capital G. Okay, and the name, group name, here I want to add the QA team, QA group. Okay, and which user, that is Hari user. Okay, and hit enter. So now you can check cat etc group. Okay, see here Hari user also added to this QA group. Okay, I hope you understood this point, how to add a user to the group. Okay, so what we will do now, we will delete a user from this QA team. So how to delete the user from the group? So if you want to remove a Rama user from the QA group, how will you do? Okay, we'll see that one. Okay, that is very simple. With this command sudo, that is g pass wd and hyphen delete, and the which username and the which group. Okay, that is very simple. We'll see this one. Okay, sudo g pass wd hyphen delete. Okay, and which user you want to remove from which group. In my case, for example, I want to remove this Rama user from this QA team. Okay, so first give this Rama username first. Okay, and the which group from QA team. Spelling also you need to give the same only. Okay, I want to delete this Rama user from the QA team. Okay, this Rama user from the QA team, Rama user from QA team. Okay, so hit enter. See, now you can see here what happened. Removing user from a group QA means what we did here, we deleted the Rama user from the QA team. Previously you can see here a Rama user is existing in a QA team. Okay, now we'll check, do cat etc group. Okay, hit enter. Now you can see here previously Rama user also existing in this group. Okay, now that Rama user is deleted from the QA group. Okay, you can do id Rama. See here, previously that Rama user is part of QA team. Okay, we saw that. Now Rama is removed from the QA team, QA group. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. Okay, so you need to do a practical yourself. So if you are watching our video and you are not doing any practical, means what happens, it will get confused and you won't get a hands-on experience. So you need to do a practical. So along with our the best practices, you can pause the video and you can do each command one by one practically. So meanwhile, if you are getting any doubts while doing these commands and all, if you are getting any doubts, please send a mail to us. I will provide our mail ID in the description. You can send a mail to us and we will respond back to your mail. Okay, so we'll see in next class how to give a permission to the group. Okay, we'll see in those things in next class. If I covered those things in the same class, means you will get more confused. Okay, better than that, we will cover the group permission and all in next lecture. Okay, do yourself practical, and if you're having any queries and doubts, send a mail to us. We will respond back to your mail. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. Thank you. We will see in the next class. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new in today's lecture. Follow all the lectures and video, and don't forget to do like and subscribe. If you feel this video is helpful, please share with your friends and colleagues. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.